Greetings, guys! Follow on from my iCopy video. You can see how the drain slot's placement is automatically added in accordance with the transom length. This is another powerful feature of the iCopy and iLogic combo. I will insert another curtain wall panel here to let it auto-generate the details. Let's look for the skeletal assembly. Here we go. Bottom left. Bottom right. Top left. Top right. Note the iLogic is embedded within the skeletal model to select the placement of each drain slot depending on the transom length. Transom left. Transom right. Defining the individual part numbers as required. It is also possible to predefine how you want these components numbered or labeled. You can see how the typical panel has 2 drain slots. However, once the transom drops below a certain size, it will only insert a single drain slot. If it gets below 250 millimeters, then no slot will be placed on the head transom, but a mid slot is retained for the lower transoms. Likewise, all the mullion and glass cutting drawings are generated as we generate the panels using iCopy. Let's open the panel with the shortest transom to look at the cutting drawings. On my last video, I have only covered off the mullion prep drawings. Here we can have a closer look at the transoms to see how the rakes are all automatically generated at the ends for manufacturing, starting with the head transom here. Likewise, I will still need to add dimensions to these rakes as the skeletal model do not have them. Drain slots are all placed in accordance to the transom lengths. Sill member with end preps needing dimensions added. With the use of automation these days, we may have lesser needs to over-dimension features. This will depend on your specific shop setup, etc. These drawings are all in the DWG format and can be opened with AutoCAD LT or can be exported to other software platforms for CNC manufacturing. The detail iLogic to drive these slots are embedded within each of the frame-generated members. That might be better left to another video. Thanks for watching. Oh, please like my video. Thanks.